Magandang hapon po ng June 18, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng June 18, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas na para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, June 18, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 18, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 143 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 66 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 59.5 million pesos. For Tuesday, June 18, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for June 18, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.